This is very tricky but very easy. Welcome back to my channel. First, we are going to transfer this to the other side of the equation. So we will have x to the power of 4 minus x minus 1 to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Now this can be expressed as x squared to the power of 2 minus, this will be x minus 1 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 again. So why am I not using this? Raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Alright? Now we have difference of 2 squares here. Remember that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now in this case, our a is x squared and our b is x minus 1 squared. Moving forward, we have this will now be x squared minus x minus 1 squared multiplied by x squared plus x minus 1 squared. Alright, everything is equal to 0. Now, remember that a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So that means that we will write this as x squared minus, this will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 all squared multiplied by x squared plus the same thing, right? Oh, what am I doing? All squared, not squared anymore. We have opened the bracket, okay? Then plus x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's open this bracket because of this negative sign. We have x squared minus x squared, minus minus becomes plus, plus 2x, minus minus is minus, plus is minus. If this is the first time you are seeing this lovely channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our videos. We upload our videos as often as possible, so that at your convenience. It must be something new for you to watch by God's grace. Okay, thank you very much. Now, moving forward, this will be multiplied by x squared. Okay, we have x squared plus x squared, that is 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we solve this further, x squared is gone, right? And we are left with 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, at this point, remember that when you say a multiplied by b is equal to 0, this implies that either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. That is the truth. So that means that looking at this, we will say that 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we have 2x is equal to 1 if this crosses the equal sign. So we divide both sides by 2, right? We have x is equal to half. So this is the first value of our x. Now, looking at this one, we are going to use the quadratic equation formula to solve it. Now, the quadratic equation formula states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now, in this case, our a is 2, right? Our b is -2. Our c is 1. So we are going to substitute this into the equation. So we have x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. So we have x is minus is plus, so we have 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared is 4 minus 8 divided by 2. So solving further, we have x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of -4 divided by, okay, this 2 times 2, which is 4, divided by 4. So we have x is 2 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by -1. All right, so it's now square root of 4 multiplied by square root of -1 divided by 4. So x will be 2 plus or minus 2, square root of -1 is I, divided by 4. Okay, so now we have x 3 is equal to 2 over 4 plus or minus 2i over 4. So x 3 is, this divided by this will give us 1 over 2 plus or minus I over 2. Therefore, the second and the third value of our x will be 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.